Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you quickly download a Facebook video. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So go over to Facebook on your app, and if you have found a video that you want to download, so go ahead and copy that link by copying selecting the three dots here and just copy link. And what you want to do is go over to your browser, head over to your browser, and make sure also that you are logged in also on the browser. So once you are here, you just have to paste that certain link like that, and then make sure that it has a M on that link. So for example, you paste that, you just have to go over and add an M dot before the link, and you will be redirected to here. And all you have to do is view that certain video and go ahead and long press that, and then you should have this option to download the video. And that is how you can download a video, guys, on Facebook. So this also can work on Reels also. So for example, you want to download that, you just have to long press that like I did there, and also under stories here. So for example, you want to download a certain story here, for example this one, long press that and just download the video. So okay guys, that is how you can quickly download a Facebook video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.